everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to fix password in Excel. So let's get started. Start by opening the Excel workbook you want to fix with a password. Next, click on the File tab at the top left corner of the Excel window. From the left sidebar, select Info, then click on Permission. Now select Encrypt with Password from the drop-down menu. Set a password of your choice and confirm it. Finally, press OK to confirm your password. OK, that's how you can fix password in Excel. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.